All right, guys, let's get this shit on. Damn, I started this here vlog and I rode 20 miles. I was like, hey, let's get it on. And then I realized that I forgot my wallet. So I had to come back to the truck, get my damn wallet. Got my wallet. While I was there, I realized my audio was not working. What kind of crap is that? Right? Ride 20 miles, no audio. So, hey, I'm gonna do the ride again. And you know what happened the second time? My audio didn't work again. That tells you a lot, don't it? Because my first vlog is a freaking disaster. But hey, what do you expect from me? I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Damn it. It's like, oh, come on now. So what I gotta do here is I've gotta go to town. The mean streets of Barstow, California. Let me tell you, I did not have any clue that Barstow was so small. I mean, it's just one road through the whole town, more or less. And I'm over here at the TA truck stop, and here I go. But I'd called Walmart, and they said, yeah, just come down this road and hook a right, and you'll run into us. I never did find Walmart. They are an elusive creature on this stretch of road. But I did find what I was after, which was some dog food and some heavy whipping cream. But what I discovered was that the Santa Ana winds, I've never ridden in California. They were freaking terrible. It was like they just blew me everywhere. At 50 miles an hour, I felt like I was going 70. And I'm gonna be riding out here in LA and the surrounding area quite a bit. But damn, let me tell you now, it was shit, just pure shit. I don't know if I want to get used to it. My big windshield there, I hate that son of a bitch, but it's got to go. But I need it, so I'm going to have to shrink it down to a smaller windshield because it really helped, definitely. Okay, so what are we going to expect out of Tow Bar's motorcycle vlogs? Well, I can tell you what you're not going to get. That's probably even better, all right? There's a ton of people out here that can give you a ton of information on motorcycles. You know, they can give you every specification of every motorcycle ever made and what you should do and what you shouldn't do. I am not that guy. If you want that information, hey, go see Grommy Bear or Blockhead or Shade Tree Sergeant or somebody, because I can't help you, right? But you can share the ride if you want to, and you might hear a little bit of good music or some of my insane talk. There just ain't no telling what you're gonna hear, because my mouth don't work right, my brain don't work right. Shit just falls out my mouth sometimes. So that's to be expected, right? Just if you're along for the ride, that's what you're gonna get. Hopefully you won't see my head get detached from my body and my GoPro rolling across the highway. But if that happens, you'll be there to share that ride too. Hell, it might be interesting. We'll see. Well, you know what I'm saying, right? Or better not see. But I probably will be interspacing some music into these videos also, because it's just a leisurely drive. I'm not a speed freak, right? I just like to go slow, mind my business, and watch the road and see what I can see. And watch out for the bunny rabbits along the way. That's a whole nother story I might share with you later in this video. At the moment, let's take a break and listen to some music, all right?
spirit fading, I can't speak it, or else you will dig my grave. You feel them finding, always whining. Take my hand now, be alive. You say I cannot be forsaken, because I'm not the only one. We walk amongst you, feeding, raping. Must we hide from everyone?
That's some sick shit there, ain't it? I do not know what band that is. I thought it was Korn before, but now I don't know who it is. I just know they sound freaking awesome. I was thinking that you've seen that I took this motorcycle off of my truck. I pack it with me everywhere I go so I can ride. And I wanted to share the joy of riding with other people, right? And say, hey, look, just if you're in my profession or whatever profession you're in, you know, you can find a way to take your bike with you. And I'm not particular about what I ride as long as it goes and doesn't break down, right? So this one here is just 500 pounds. It doesn't take up a lot of room on my trailer. I actually looked at a Grom. Can you believe that? And I tell you what, that Grom, I'm 225 pounds, and that Grom was a, whew, I can say I kind of liked it, but I didn't buy it. But I'm not saying you ain't gonna see a Grom on here one day. I mean, I can save some more weight, and I'm all about saving weight, because, yep, you knew it already, didn't you? I'm a cheap bastard. Yeah, well, when I was originally making this video here, we had passed a hooker, and I was probably talking about it there when I was waving my hands around. I have a tendency to talk with my hands. But we're almost to the store up here where I'm going to get some dog food because I ran out. So we're going to stop up here. Where am I going? I'm going to the, hell, I don't know, the True Value. All right, let's get some dog food here. And bam, how about it? Dog food, just like that fast. We got dog food. Dog's going to be happy, and I can get my ass back to work because I'm heading to San Francisco. I may not be stopping in Barstow again for hell months or whatever, but we got to have dog food today, so we got it, bitches. All right, let's get on back. I think I'm going to take a different route back because that's just the way I roll. Never know what road I'm going to go down. You know what I'm saying? Vlogs was going to be an easy thing to do, but now I'm just not so sure. I mean, compared to a lot of other blogging, it is easy, I suppose, as far as it goes. But look at it, my GoPro just, you know, it's not where I want it. It's where it is at the moment. I got something ordered that might make that a little better. My windshield's tinted. That sucks, you know. So that's not going to be on there tomorrow, but it's on there today. We just got to deal with it. This is a V-Star 650 Yamaha that I'm riding. It's the 2011 model year. So since I am a truck driver, you're probably going to see truck stops in my Motovlogs. You're probably going to see my truck in the Motovlog. You might see my dogs in my Motovlog. It's just no telling what's going to pop up, or if there is, I probably just told you what there was, right? But the good thing is I can motovlog from everywhere. I mean, when I've got slow trips, if I'm in Rushmore or Seattle or Olympia National Forest or wherever I want to be, I take my bike and I go. So they're gonna kind of be like moto travel vlogs, or, you know, whatever, however it works out is what it's going to be. All right, so I better wrap this up. I'll let you guys finish this awesome song, and I'll talk to you guys later. All right.